Welcome to our channel today. You will learn exactly how to verify your Dreamstime photo contributor account quickly. And without any hassle, welcome to our channel. If you are just starting out as a photographer and want to share your images on Dreamstime while earning money, you need to verify your contributor account. First, this is an important step to unlock all the features and start uploading images professionally. Let's dive into a clear step-by-step process that even beginners can follow easily. First, visit the Dreamstime website and sign up if you haven't already. Use a valid email address, because verification communication will be sent there. After creating your account, log in and go to the contributor dashboard. Once there, look for the option labeled Account Verification, or simply Verify Your Account. Click on it. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal information such as your full legal name, address, and phone number. Ensure this data is accurate to avoid delay. Then prepare your identification documents. This usually includes a government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Take a clear photo or scan of this document in good lighting, and make sure all details are readable. Upload your identification document to the verification section, as prompted. Dreamstime. Also ask for a selfie holding your ID to prove ownership of the account. Make sure the photo is clear and your face is fully visible. After uploading everything, submit your verification request and wait for confirmation. This process can take anywhere from a few hours up to several days, depending on their review workload. If any additional information is needed, Dreamstime will contact you via email, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once your account is verified, you will receive a notification and gain access to upload and sell your photos. Remember, being verified also increases your credibility with buyers, which can help your sales. Finally, keep your profile updated and maintain good communication with the Dreamstime support team. If you encounter any issues, verification is straightforward, but following these precise steps will save you time and frustration. Get ready to showcase your photography skills and earn money with Dreamstime.